Yo, so I'm back with another video and I have like a problem. Like just look at this. Okay, so this is my problem. So I put the key in and it says like I have battery right there. But a lot of you will say like, dude, just charge the battery, change the battery, jumpstart it. I can't jumpstart it because there's no other car. This door is open from the outside, but on the inside there's a lock and I can't open that thing. Dude, just go around, use the big door. I can't do that either. It's locked. It's locked. And help.